fucked out of nowhere. Just waiting for it. Hello, YouTubers. I was looking straight there, man. It's just popped out of nowhere. Yeah, make it out your airplane, sure. Alright, I'm gonna get it. What are you focusing on? Is that the way I look?